we have a serious crisis of drug abuse in our nation. Parents, starting with myself, we need to look out for our children and the children of Kenya. There is a very, very big crisis. We're trying to do what we can do. I recently appointed a new board for NACADA. I'm working with all the other arms of government. But even as we do that at the government level, we must have a combined effort from the families so that we can meet somewhere halfway and make sure that we secure, protect our children, and protect our nation from the dangers and the real threat of drug abuse in our nation.